What'd you order here?
What did I order? I wanted something minimal.
Definitely have to say this is very minimal. Minimally thought out.
Today I'm building Charles James. I'm in one of my favorite places, Joshua Tree, California. One of my neighbors and good friends, Blake, hired a less adequate so-called builder, and he was extremely upset at the results of this guy's handiwork. So I'm here to dig deep within my acumen to give this pergola some salience, turning this disaster into a structure that the land will even respect. What's up, guys? We made it back to Joshua Tree, and yes, my first stop, boom, always grabbing coffee. There's nothing more awe-inspiring than some single-origin, sustainable, organic coffee libation in the morning to get the brain firing on all cylinders. Now to Home Depot, where I'll buy just enough wood so I can achieve my design goals while utilizing as much of the old structure as I possibly can.
I never really thought someone could build something so shitty, and he kept expressing that this build was he was not able to live with this, whatever you want to call this, construction next to his camper any longer. He wanted to rip it down the same day the guy built it. And I was like, calm down, calm down. I'm sure we could fix this. If you are going to build a structure this shitty, at least tighten the bolt. At least. And that is how you turn a derelict canopy into a beacon of bohemian goodness. A resting spot suitable for the gods and the skinwalkers alike in this blazing cauldron known as the Mojave Desert. Till next time, guys. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Why don't you leave a comment down below? Tell me how crappy my shade structure is. And I'd like to hear from you. Until then, share it with your friends, send it to your mom, and I will see you next time.